Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have two circles. The radius of both circles are 20 units, and both of these circles are placed on a line. We have to find the area of this red region, which is formed by these two circles and this line. Consider this is the center of left circle and this is the center of right circle. So from this common point of these two circle and this point, distance is 20 unit. So this is 20 because the radius of this circle is 20 unit. Similarly, from this point to the center of this second circle, this is also 20. This is also 20 unit. Now, from the common point of this circle and this line, here the distance between this center and this common point, this will be also 20. So this is also 20 because this is the radius of this left circle. Similarly, the common point of this circle and this line, this is the common point and the center of this circle, this line also be 20. Now the centers of these two circle and these two common point make a rectangle. Now the red region is this rectangle minus the area of these two white region, and this white region is the area of quarter circle and this white region is also area of a quarter circle. So the red area, if red area is A, then A is equal to the area of this rectangle. So the formula of area of a rectangle is length times width. So the length of this rectangle is 20 plus 20, which is 40. So 40 times width of this rectangle, which is 20, minus the area of this quarter circle is 1/4 of total area of this left circle. So the area of left circle is pi times r square. Now this area is also same as this area, so 2 times of this quarter circle, so times 2 is equal to 40 times 20, this is 800, minus this 2 divided by this 4, this will be 2. So here it will be 1/2 times this pi r square is equal to this 800 minus this 1/2 times pi times, substituting the value of r is equal to 20, here we can write 20 square is equal to this 800 minus this 1/2 times pi times 20 square, this is 400, is equal to this 800 minus this 400 divided by 2, this is 200. Now this will be 200 pi. 200 times pi. Now taking common 200, we can write 200 times 800 divided by 200, this is 4 minus taking common 200, here it will be this pi. And the approximate value of this 200 times 4 minus pi is equal to 171.68, and this is the area of this red region. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.